Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, combine 25 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a small bowl. In a separate, larger bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 3/4 of a cup each of granulated sugar and packed brown sugar until light and fluffy. Finally, beat in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that your wet and dry ingredients are ready, gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Next, gently fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. You can use milk, dark, or a combination. Ensure they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Finally, drop rounded tablespoons of dough about 2 inches apart onto ungreased baking sheets. It's time to bake. Place your baking sheets into the preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Once baked, remove the sheets from the oven and let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes. This helps them set up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the best flavor and texture, enjoy your cookies fresh. If you have any left, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. For longer enjoyment, you can freeze baked cookies for up to 3 months. Just thaw them at room temperature or warm them slightly in the oven. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.